Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful.
Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Love Kisses 99, and I'm coming to you today with an update on this hair from Her Hair Company. It's been a couple weeks, and I promised that I would come back and let you know how the hair behaved and all that good stuff. Now, when I washed the hair, I did get a little bit of color bleed out from the color that I used. I'm going to link that video right down in the information area so you get to check it out and see how I colored the hair. But the bleeding out of the color really didn't have anything to do with the hair itself. It's just what happens when you color hair. Sometimes the color bleeds out a little bit once you wash it. And initially I was going to use this Color Brilliance in with the shampoo, but I just really wanted you to see what would happen if you didn't do anything else to it other than just simply wash it and deep condition it. So what I use to wash and condition the hair, I just use my regular shampoo that I always use, but I use this Intense Moisture Conditioner. Now this conditioner is good on your regular hair as well as extensions, weaves, wigs, and all that good stuff because it gives the hair a little extra moisture. And honestly, when I used this, the hair was just so soft and so manageable. I didn't have any issues with it at all. Once I detangled it, I just let it dry on my mannequin head like I usually do. Sometimes I have to admit I will put this baby in front of a fan on the mannequin head if I need it to dry a little bit faster. But yeah, I got no issues with the hair. I'm going to turn my lighting up a little bit because there is one area that I wanted to be particular in showing you. Now on this side, I got a little bit more lightness on this side. I think the color may have kind of bled out a little bit more on this side. But again, I'm going to go back with my shampoo when I shampoo it again and use this Sapphire Semi-Permanent Hair Color from Color Brilliance. Now, I'm trying to think if there was any issues that I had with the hair. Even in detangling it, I have to say I might have lost, I would say about 6 or 7 strands. It wasn't anything intense. And when I'm detangling my hair or my wigs, after I wash it, I start from the bottom and work my way up. So then that way I get a chance to take my time, and if there's any tangles just from washing and kind of swishing it around, I didn't have much of an issue with that. So I just wanted to come through and show you what the hair is looking like again. And I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. And as you can see, the curls are so beautiful. And again, you guys know I don't really use a lot of expensive irons for my hair. This is my Conair, cheap, and it does the trick, and it goes up to the heat that I needed to go to really give me a good curl. So I didn't have any issues with that. And the way I sew my wigs is the normal way. I sew on the frontal first. I think I did a video a while back showing the process, and then I just go left to right, right to left with the bundles until I close in the top, and I'm good to go. So this hair is from Her Hair Company. I hope I mentioned that early on in the video. But yeah, no problems, no issues. This is one of the companies that I truly believe in because I've never had an issue with any of the hair from Her Hair Company. I've never had an issue with tangling, with like matting or anything like that. So I can really give you my recommendation on this hair. And as you guys know, I deal with a lot of different companies. I deal with a lot of different hair. I've been a wig wearer, extension wearer for many, many years. So yeah, I haven't had an issue. And this hair, again, it colored beautifully from that 613 blonde to this gorgeous blue. It is giving me everything that I need. And I did go in and I decided to cut a few layers just to give the hair more shape because it was in its normal bundle lengths along with the frontal. And I'll put that information regarding the specs in the information area as well. And I just wanted to give it a little more flow. I did a video a while back too showing how I cut my wigs. And what I do is I part it from ear to ear go horizontal, and then cut my way down. Super duper easy. And if I still have that footage, I will add it into the video. If not, I'll just link the video right down in the information area. But definitely check out Her Hair Company. I really believe in their hair. Again, I've never had an issue with any of it. It's always done everything that I needed it to do. And the bundles are well constructed. They're nice and tight. You never get any loose threads. You never get any stray hairs, which I do still have my extra piece here in this box. And here it is. The bearding it's just perfect. You don't get those stand-up hairs like you get with some bundles. This hair, it just lays perfectly flat. You have no problem with it. So yeah, this is what it looked like. Of course, when I made my wig and I didn't cut a piece off, all of this was blue. I made sure to keep it all blue, so if the wind blows, you wouldn't be able to see that line right here. This again is the extra piece that I have. So there's really no difference between this piece that didn't get washed and this hair. The color is still vibrant. It's still beautiful. It's still equally as soft as it was when I received it. Just beautiful, beautiful hair. So I wanted to come through, like I said, and give you my update on it. It's been a couple weeks, and tomorrow is your girl's birthday. So this is the hair that I will be wearing as I'm out and about, getting my party on and having a good time, because I need, when I'm out especially, I need to have hair that I can depend on to look good from start to finish, from the time that I start my day until the time that I'm ready to come home and kind of knock out. And this hair will not give me a problem. That's what I need. I need my hair to be rocking for the whole day and all night. So yeah, this is the hair that I will be rocking. So I'm hoping you guys have been well. I hope everything is going well for you. 2018 has been off to a bit of a rocky start for me, but God is yet in control, so I'm not too worried about that. So definitely check out the information area for all additional information and specs. And I'm hoping you have an absolutely awesome evening and a wonderful Martin Luther King weekend. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.